Light nurtures civilization and illuminates the world. It lights up the dreams of cities and brightens the way ahead. LEDIA is driven by innovation and dedicated to providing intelligent lighting solutions, illuminating every dream and enriching life. Founded in 2008 in Guangzhou, LEDIA Lighting is a leading company in China's linear lighting industry. With the mission of reshaping the value of light with the technology, it specializes in the R&D and manufacturing of high-end linear lighting. As a national high-tech enterprise, LEDIA helps professional clients achieve excellent growth with its globally certified quality and continuous innovation. To better serve international markets, LEDIA has production bases in Guangzhou and Thailand, offering flexible OEM and ODM solutions. Its business spans over 30 countries and regions, earning trust through excellent quality and service. LEDIA assists customers in illuminating every project and realizing their dreams by focusing on linear lighting, intelligent lighting solutions, and customized services. LEDIA provides a diverse range of high-quality linear lighting products to meet different setting requirements. For architectural lighting, LEDIA offers flexible light strips, wall washers, and neon strips to suit various architectural styles. For commercial spaces, high CRI pendants and wall lamps are provided to enhance the display. In terms of production, LEDIA Lighting has always pursued automated production. Currently, LEDIA has 20 automated production lines and 15 SMT automatic production lines. With a highly automated production process, LEDIA has significantly improved its production efficiency and reduced human errors and ensured that every product from raw material selection to finished product testing meets strict quality system standards and global certification. As a subsidiary of Hongli Zhihui Group, LEDIA benefits from leading semiconductor packaging technology and chip supply, enhancing its R&D and innovation capabilities. It operates CNAS and UL certified labs, conducting rigorous tests to ensure all products meet international standards. With over 300 national patents, including more than 60 inventions, LEDIA integrates advanced technologies into its production, from improved heat dissipation and smart dimming to enhanced performance and functionality. The innovation enables LEDIA to meet diverse customer needs and sustain its market leadership. LEDIA Lighting, intelligent linear light solutions provider.